All right, what's up guys, Village Boy here. Thank you so much. And in today's video we are coming to do unboxing and review of one of the most high-tech technology here, and you're welcome. We are not doing it in a conventional way where we are in the ultra modern studio with a light recording this video, but I'm currently doing it in my African village here under the cocoa farm. I just want you to have a feel of the cocoa farm as well, together with the cocoyam leaves. All right, so I have two boxes in front of me here. So first of all, let's open this one. Currently what I'm having in front of me is Asus Vivobook, that is 16. So Asus Vivobook S 16 flip. So we are coming to unbox it. All right, let's try. I don't want to waste much of your time. Take a minute of your time to watch this video because this unboxing is going to be crazy. All right, let's pull it out. Oh, welcome baby. Have this man, fresh, a la fresh. So this is it. This is Asus AWS. I have this sticker at the back here. Right, this is Asus. I will take a closer shot of the ports, and you could see right here. Can you see it? At the back here we have this, and we have two supports like a stand that you can use it, right, to put it on a desk, all right, on a flat surface. You don't have to put your computer directly on the surface of, let's say, foam. It will not allow aeration. I mean, there are fans here, they need to blow, I mean, to circulate, to cool down the system. So we have stand here that you can do it this way, open it like this, and it stand. You see how it is? Beautiful. Then you can open it, or if it is on something that there will be space here where the air can blow under it, you can put it flat. But for safety reasons, you can actually open up like this and put it on. Okay, so now let's try and open it. We are going to turn it on. You will definitely see it. All right, so this is Asus Vivobook. Can you see? So let me turn the front for you to see it. All right, so we have the screen here, we have the touchpad, we have the keyboard, we have all the keys here with this colored escape key here, beautiful, with a strap paste and enter key here, beautiful. I love it, with the specs, some of the specs things here, and it is absolutely 360. It's a flip, so we can actually do it this way, right? So we can hold it like a tablet. But take precaution because there are stands. I've already shown you the stand here. This stand here, it's actually here. So when you are bending it, when you have your Asus Vivobook and you are bending it, don't bend it close to the back here because you may end up breaking what? How do they call this one? This one, you may end up breaking it and it will destroy your computer, right, or your Asus Vivobook. And so you can hold it this way, you can have it as a tablet and hold it this way. And precisely, I am telling you that this is a touch screen, so I can either touch it, I can use the touch instead. If I don't want to use the keypad or the keyboard, I can use the touch to do it. So now what we are going to do is that we will turn it on, but before that, all right, so before that, let's try to unbox this. I have a charger here. All right, let's try to unbox this one. Okay, all right, beautiful. So I have the charger here. All right, so the charger is here. I love this charger. Look at it, how it is made. It has this. I'm going to take a closer shot of the ports and talk about them. It has this, all right, it's a Type-C charger. You plug in, you connect it, and its battery power lasts so much. I mean, it's very powerful, right? So now let's turn the Asus Vivobook on. Let's turn it on. So now watch here as I turn it on, right? I'm pretty sure that you can see my face. We are doing this together, right? So let's see. All right, so it's active, and currently, you see what is written here? Beautiful. This is a new baby in town, man. Ooh, did you hear the sound? Like, I'm super excited. I'm super excited. All right, so we have this. Right, it is attached. It is attached. So you see, right, because I'm going to punch in my password, and for security reasons I need not to show it to you. Let me punch it and come back to you, right? So let me punch it and come back to you. Oh, all right, so I've opened it, I've logged in, so you can see it's a touch screen. This is Windows 11. This is Windows 11. You could see the interface is beautiful and it is very fast. It has a very high speed, and I mean this is 16 gig RAM and other specifications. I'm going to take a closer shot of the specification and put it on this video for you to see it properly. But this is and it is very fast. Its battery, it's good. I mean, it has fastest internet connectivity. I have other apps, you know. I bought this computer purposely because of for editing of my videos, right? Because this has a high end. It has 20 cores, right? With so many threads that helps to run programs very fast. I mean, technically, I don't want to talk about the technical aspect of this machine, but I just want you to have a glimpse of how this computer or this laptop behaves, right? This is i7, Core i7, right? And it's very fast. So let's try something out. Let's try the camera. We want to check the camera, right? I believe some of you would want to see the camera. Let's try the camera. All right. I want us to use. Okay, I've already searched for the camera. So let's see. Can you see the camera? Okay, let's maximize it. Can you see? Now this is the camera that is showing. It's almost 6 p.m. here, so it's a little bit dark. It's not that clear, and so you could see the camera. You could see the video. My camera that I'm recording with is even showing here. Can you see it here around this side? Right. Let me turn the phone, the laptop like this. It's showing this side here. Can you see it? It's here. The phone I'm recording is pointing here. So this is the camera. We have the video. You can record video. It's already on video. It's on. You can take a picture. So if you want a picture, you press this. Right, it took the picture, and actually you can hold it this way, and the screen, how did they even put it? It will change to this side. Can you see what is happening? Now let's go back. I want us to go back. I don't know if you can see what I'm trying to do here. Let's bend it because this is 360. Right, so we have this thing like this here. Can you see it? Right, so it's a phone screen. You could see the camera that I'm using to record this video. It's a phone screen, and that this laptop Asus Vivobook is using. So its display changes as to how you position it, right? So either in portrait or in landscape, right? It changes to that order. So basically that is that, and you could see you can go back. Okay, you can go back here. You can check things here, and we can close it, so it gives you that audacity. I mean, you can use it to select. You can use it to select, and it's just beautiful. So you have it in your palm like this, and you can be running things with it. All right, I'm here to install the Adobe Premiere Pro because that's basically what I'm going to be using to edit my videos, and it is going to be amazing. Like, I've been hoping for this, to have this machine. I mean, a very powerful machine like 16 gig RAM that will help me run my stuff fast, and you have a very spacious storage. Yeah, so basically that is that. It has a very fastest touchpad. It is very smooth. The keys too are very good. I mean, they land very well, and it has a back key light. So Control F, that is FN plus the fit key. Let me try. Let's see the back key if it will come on. I think I'm trying to put the backlight, the backlight of the keyboard. Yeah, so let's see. I'm trying to see. Okay. All right, so a closer look of the ports. Can you see this? Can you see the ports? It has a couple of USB ports, HDMI cable with a charging port, and then the earphone ports, right, at this very side here. And let's turn to the other side here. This side too, it has USB ports at this very side here, and the fans, it has fans. I'm pretty sure 2 fans. The air blows at this side as well and under it. So let me show you. I've already used solution tape to put at the bottom so that it don't crack. You see the outlets that allow the air to pass out right from the system so that you cool the system down. Okay, so basically that is that. I'm pretty sure that you've enjoyed this video. Set are biting me under the cocoa farm, I swear. So basically that is the unboxing of my Vivo Asus. That is Asus Vivobook S 16 Flip. So this is basically the new laptop I have at the moment, and I just want to say that thank you everyone for your support. Those of you who made it possible for me. For privacy's sake, they don't want me to mention their name, so I would have to respect their privacy, so I'm not going to mention their names. But I just want to say that if you are watching this video, thank you so much and God bless you, and we hope for more support, because the work is not easy at all. It is not easy. We still need more support to push this agenda. That is the Village Boy brand. So thank you so much for watching this video, and until again, we'll meet another time. Village Boy here, and this is the famous village, Akumersu Yiti. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Peace.